After a storm, it's important to make sure your home or business's electrical system is safe and that you know what to do if there's damage. First, never touch a damaged electrical meter or its components, and stay away if the ground or area is wet or flooded. If your circuit breaker is off, leave it off until any damage is resolved. If you suspect damage to your electrical equipment, or if your property was flooded, a licensed electrician should inspect it and make any necessary repairs before power is restored. The electrician can also coordinate with local building authorities for any required permitting. This helps protect you, your property, and your electronics. It also helps to understand who is responsible for which part of the equipment. Here's a breakdown of what Tampa Electric is responsible for and what falls to the property owner. First, the service line. That's the wire running from the power pole to your home. If it's down or sagging due to storm damage, we'll take care of that repair. If trees or limbs brought the line down, we'll clear away enough debris to safely restore power, but removing the branches or yard debris afterward is the homeowner's responsibility. This keeps our crews focused on what they do best, restoring electricity to the community as quickly as possible. If your electric meter was damaged, we'll repair that too. However, everything else like the weatherhead, the riser, and the meter box is considered part of your home's internal electrical system. A licensed electrician should inspect and repair any damage to those parts. To recap, homeowners are responsible for the weatherhead, the curved pipe on your roof where the service line connects, the riser, the pipe that runs down the wall to the meter, and the meter box, the enclosure where the meter is mounted. A licensed electrician can help make sure these components are safe and up to code. Tampa Electric is here to get the lights back on. And with a little teamwork, we'll recover safely together. For more storm safety tips and information, visit tampaelectric.com/stormcenter.